Hello.
Hey guys.
We got our safari hats on.
And we're gonna go camping.
Yes.
It's stuck in my nose. Ha! Nice day out today. We're just walking down the street.
And you know, if anybody wants to mess with us, we're gonna throw these at them.
Okay. We're gonna see if any of our neighbors are out here today. As you can see, that's where the hobos sleep. Pretty good.
I slept in there once. She gave me a massage.
I'll give you a
It's all the
massage.
right place. Stop recording. Okay. Tell us how you've converted to your hippie
Hippieism?
ways. Yes.
Well, so it started out with a shave of the beard, but it's already growing back. I have a new start. So I'm like, I'll become an old man with my hippie beard that I'm growing. And
yeah, you shaved your beard, dude. I was like, whoa. I was
looks
so
like a naked
surprised.
mole rat. Still hot, still popping, still fresh and easy out the oven with my...
I see our camping site.
Right here.
Down that because I got an injury, a knee injury. As you can see, it's bent. I want to go swimming in that. I don't got my beach bod yet.
Oh, same, bro.
I'm working on it.
So, we're almost at our camping spot, so that means that this is the end for our vlog, but we're sweaty.
Just the end for the vlog, but